If you're looking for a clear Powerline Technician exam step-by-step guide, you're in the right place. Whether you're an apprentice, a working lines person, or coming back to the trade after a break, this process is absolutely doable. You just need a plan, the right resources, and consistent effort. Step 1 is understanding what the exam actually is. The Red Seal exam is a multiple choice test, usually with around 100 to 150 questions and about 4 hours to complete it. It's based on the National Red Seal Occupational Standard, which outlines what a fully competent Powerline technician should know and be able to do across Canada. Step 2 is confirming your eligibility. Make sure you have the required hours, training, or provincial approval to challenge the Red Seal exam. If you're not sure, check with your provincial apprenticeship office or your local authority. Step 3 is to get familiar with the main topic areas. In a Powerline Technician exam step-by-step guide, the big themes usually include job site safety, climbing and fall protection, rigging and hoisting, distribution and transmission systems, grounding and bonding, transformers, switching procedures, and electrical theory. You might also see questions involving fault finding, emergency response, and working around traffic or public spaces. Step 4 is to build a study schedule. Most successful candidates start studying 3 to 6 months before their test date. Plan out weekly blocks for different topics. Safety 1 week, line construction the next, transformers after that, and so on. Short, regular study sessions beat last-minute cramming every time. Step 5 is to study actively, not passively. Don't just read notes and hope it sticks. Work through practice questions. Draw diagrams of distribution and transmission layouts. Explain concepts like step and touch potential out loud as if you were teaching an apprentice. Step 6 is to focus on safety and switching procedures. These areas are critical in the trade and often show up in many different styles of questions. Know your lockout, tagging, clearances, grounding, and emergency response processes very well. Step 7 is to practice with exam-style questions. This is where a lot of people fall short. You might know the trade, but exam wording can still trip you up. The more you see multiple choice questions, the better you'll get at reading carefully, spotting key details, and avoiding trick answers. If you're a mature learner, a newcomer to Canada, or someone who hasn't written a test in years, remember this. Feeling rusty is normal. Your field experience is a huge advantage, and this exam is built around what you already do on the job. Now let's move into the 20% soft promotion. If you want structured support for your Powerline Technician exam step-by-step guide, you can use the resources at redsealstudyguide.ca. You'll find Q&A books that give you realistic practice questions. There are explanation-style resources that break down why the correct answer is correct. And there are online timed tests that simulate the real Red Seal exam timing so you can build speed, accuracy, and confidence. These tools don't guarantee a pass, but they do help you study smarter and stay focused on the most important areas. Step 8 is to simulate exam day. Do a full-time practice test without distractions. Follow the same timing you'll have on the real exam. This helps you learn how to pace yourself and manage stress. Step 9 is test day strategy. Read each question slowly. Underline keywords in your mind like most safe, best first step, or primary cause. Eliminate the wrong answers first, then choose the best remaining option. Step 10 is mindset. Go in confident, not cocky. Trust your training, your experience, and the time you've put into studying. Thousands of Powerline technicians have passed this exam before you, and you can too. If you'd like extra practice questions, explanations, or online time tests tailored for the Red Seal, you can visit redsealstudyguide.ca anytime.